dead fish like that's a pretty unlovely spectacle, but then it was never made to be seen like that. It was made to be seen like this. And once it's in the water, you can see how graceful it is. All due, really, to its streamlined shape, big at the front and thinner at the back. Its fins, all designed to make it go head first. And these things, the scales, which of course all point backwards. It's a bit like a grass seed or a dart. It's all meant to go forwards, particularly if you are swimming, and I suppose for the things that prey on it, like seals, if you're eating it. Watch this. Here you go. And what a performance. But you can imagine what it would be like trying to swallow a fish down tail first. All the scales would get stuck in your throat. So the animals that live on fish have a number of adaptations. One of them is their teeth. You can see they're spiky. And spiky teeth are great for grabbing the fish and holding it. They're not too good for chewing it. So it mumbles it around, moves it about, and swallows it head first where it slips down because of its streamlined shape. Give it to it tail first, tosses it round, swallows it head first, again and again. And they're not the only animals to do that. Virtually everything that eats fish whole has to do the same sort of thing. Dolphins do. And you can see them here, manoeuvring the fish around and swallowing head first. Birds do the same thing. They haven't got any teeth at all. And so, if you live underwater and live entirely on fish, it's probably better to have sharp teeth to catch and hold them than to worry too much about chewing them. Just swallow them head first.